Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus. In this video, we are going to solve some previous year problems in differential equations. If you haven't seen, this is a continuation of our previous video. If you haven't seen those videos, still kindly check with the playlist. Unless you can't understand this video because it is a continuation of our previous video. Previously we have discussed similar problems in differential equations. Let's go into the video. What is the first question? Given x plus y plus z equal to f of x squared plus y squared plus z squared, right? So first what we need to do, first we need to write down the given problem. Then what is the first step? We need to differentiate with respect to x, partially differentiate with respect to, say it is a equation number 1. Then partially we need to differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. With respect to x, what we will get? 1 plus this term won't come, dou z by dou x. What is the differential coefficient? See, differential coefficients in general are denoted as dou z by dou x equal to p, q equal to dou z by dou y, and r equal to dou squared z by dou x squared, s equal to dou squared z by dou x dou y, and t equal to dou squared z by dou y square. These are the differential coefficient are denoted. Okay, then what is that? Partially differentiating with respect to x, 1, this term won't come. When we differentiating z, what will get? Dou z by dou x, right? When we so what is dou z by dou x? Is nothing but p. So again differentiate the right hand side. So f dash of x square plus y square plus z square into, in place of x square, 2x plus 2z into dou z by dou x is nothing but p. So this is equation 2. Then we need to differentiate partially with respect to y in equation number 1. So what we will get? This term want to come when we differentiating with respect to y. Then when we differentiating with respect to y, the remaining term what we will get? Y in place of 1, dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is nothing but q, right? Q is equal to f dash of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. When we differentiating this term, 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y is nothing but q. See, it is a equation number 3. Then 2 by 3. Divide equation 2 by equation 3. What we will get in left hand side? 1 by p by 1 by q equal to, these 2 and these 2 will get cancelled when we dividing this term. Then what we will get? 2x plus 2zp divided by 2y plus 2zq. So it is multiple of 2. When we take 2 as common and cancel from numerator and denominator, what we will get? 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q equal to x plus zp divided by y plus zq, right? Then cross multiply on both sides. 1 plus p into y plus zq equal to 1 plus q into x plus zp, right? Then multiply into inside, what we will get? 1 into this term, y plus z cube plus py plus pzq, right? Then again 1 into x plus zp, this is zp plus qx plus zpq. Okay, zpq, pzq get cancelled on both sides. So go to that, take p term and p and q term on one side and x and y on other side. What we will get? So this go to that side, x minus y, again zq, this term zq plus py minus zp minus qx, right? Qx equal to x minus y. So what we will get? See, take from that P as common, P and Q as common in left hand side, what will get? When we taking Q as common, Q into Z, Q is common in first and last term. When we taking Q outside, Z minus X, plus when we taking P as outside, what we will get in second and third term? Y minus Z, right, equal to X minus Y. So this is the differential equation. So P into Y minus Z plus Q into Z minus X equal to X minus Y. So this is option Y minus Z into P, Z minus X into Q equal to X minus Y. See, this is the correct option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. What is that? F Z equal to F of Y by X. So first what we need to do, this is equation 1, differentiate with respect to X. We need to differentiate with respect to X this term. What we will get? Sorry. Dou Z by dou X equal to P F dash of Y by X into, in place of Y, 1 by X, X, 1 by X, when we differentiating 1 by X, we will get minus 1 by X squared. Already one Y is there. So minus Y by X squared equal to 2. Then we need to differentiate partially with respect to Y. So dou Z by dou Y equal to Q equal to F dash of Y by X, and partially differentiating Y by X, in Y by X partially differentiating with respect to Y, what we will get? 1 by X, right. So this is equation 3. See, equation 2 by 3, 2 divided by 3, what we will get? P by Q, these two get cancelled, then minus Y by X squared divided by 1 by X, can we write X by 1, okay. These two X squared and X get cancelled, so minus Y by X, P by Q equal to minus Y by X. Then cross multiply, what we will get? Px equal to minus Qy. So all taking one side, Px plus Qy equal to 0. So this is the answer. So Px plus Qy equal to 0 equal to option 3. Px plus Qy equal to 0 is the right option for this problem. Okay. Then move on to the next example problem. See, what is given? What is the given equation? F of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay. What we need to do first? This is equation number 1. Differentiate, partially differentiate with respect to x first. So dou z by dou x is nothing but p. So f dash of x plus ay. In place of function of f, we are having x plus ay. When we differentiating that, what will get into 1 only. So this will not come. It is having y term. So when we differentiating epsilon, what will be 1 only. Into 1, we are getting the same term. Then when we differentiating g dash of x minus ay into, when we differentiating x, we will get 1 only. So say it is a equation 2. Then we need to partially differentiate with respect to y in the above equation. Dou z by dou y equal to q. So f dash of x plus ay. So when we differentiating again x plus ay, what will get? This term want to come. Then ay is nothing but a. So plus g dash of x minus ay. When we differentiating this term, what will get? Minus a. So a into f dash of x plus ay minus g dash of x minus ay. See, this is equation 3. Q, right? Then we need to differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So when we differentiating with respect to x, I am writing here, partially differentiating with respect to x, what we will get? Already p denoted as dou z by dou x. Again we need to differentiate that term. What we will get? Dou squared z by dou x square. What is the equivalent term? Is nothing but r, right? So when we differentiating with respect to x, again we will get dou squared z by dou x squared equal to r. So when we differentiating this term, what we will get? X plus f double dash of x plus ay. In place of x, when we differentiating x, we will get 1 only, plus again g double dash of x minus ay. Say this is a equation 4. Then what we need to do? We need to differentiate this third equation with respect to y. This is dou z by dou y. Partially differentiate this equation 3 with respect to y. This is dou z by dou y. Again we differentiate with respect to y. What will dou squared z by dou x, dou squared z by dou y squared, right? Y squared is nothing but a. So what we will get? T equal to, already a is there, f dash of x plus ay is nothing but f double dash of x plus ay into a, right? Again minus g double dash of x minus ay. Already one a is there. I missed out. Okay, here. Okay, a is there. Again 1 minus a. What we will get? A into a squared f double dash of x plus ay minus into minus plus a square g double dash of x plus x minus ay. What is a common here? A square. When we taking common, what will get? A dash of x plus ay plus g double dash of x minus ay, which is equal to r. This term equal to r. So a squared into r, what is in the right and left hand side? Equal to t. So t equal to a squared r. T equal to a squared r. Option 1 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. What is given? Phi of x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to lx plus my plus nz equal to 0. Can we write it as phi of u comma v equal to 0? What is u here? X square plus y square plus z square. What is v? Lx plus my plus nz. Okay. What is the p first? Capital P. Capital P is dou u of dou v divided by dou of y comma x. How can we write this in matrix form? See, I am writing in simple uy. Okay, uy ux here, vy vx. What we will get? Cross taking modulus determinant, what we will get? Uy vx minus ux vy, right? Uy vx minus ux vy equal to p. So we need to find out these terms. So what we will get? Uy is nothing but, what is uy here? 2y, right? 2y into dou z, sorry, what is uy? 2y. In this term, what is vx? Vx equal to L into L, right? Minus what is ux? Ux equal to 2x. Then what is vy? Vy equal to m. So this is the term p. So again 2 is common, yl minus xm. So say it is p. Then what is q? Dou u by dou v divided by dou z comma dou x. Dou of z comma x. In short, we can write it as uz ux, vz vx, right? Cross multiply uz vx minus ux vz, this and this. Okay. First we need to find out the uz. Uz is nothing but 2z. What is vx? Vx equal to L. L minus what is ux? Ux equal to 2x. Sorry, 2x. Then what is Vz? Vz equal to n. Again 2 in common, Zl minus nx equal to q, right? Equation 1, equation 2. Then what is R? Dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. So ux, uy, vx, vy. Then taking determinant ux, vy minus uy, vx, right? So from this equation, what is ux? U equal to, I am writing here, what is the u equation? X square plus y square plus z square. V equal to Lx plus My plus Nz. Ux, what is Ux ma? 2x, right? 2x m minus what is Uy? 2y L. Taking 2xm minus yl equal to R. Say it is a equation number 3. By Lagrange's equation we can write as a PP. What is that? I am writing here, or I will use some different pen. See, PP plus QQ equal to R. So what is PP? P here, P is nothing but 2 into YL minus XM, 2 into YL minus XM into P plus 2 into Q. What is that? Q term. 2 into ZL minus NX. ZL minus NX into Q equal to R. R is nothing but 2 into XM minus YL. 2 into XM minus YL, right? So here what we will get, cancelling to all from these, Lz minus Nx, signs are changing, Mx minus Ly, right? Mx minus Ly, 2 will when all are in multiples of 2. So xm minus mx minus yl, Lz minus nx, again it is ny minus mz. It should come as ny minus mz from B comparing this equation, so it will match. Again I am doing a mistake, right? P, sorry, I am really sorry, this is dou y of dou z, right? When we P is a function of x, so dou u comma v divided by dou y into dou z. We are really sorry guys. Dou y uy uz vy vz, right? Uy, what is uy into vz, and uy into vz into uz. In place of x we need to substitute, so this term will change. Uy equal to 2y. Then what is vz? Vz is nothing but n. So this term ny. So this is ny. Again minus uz. Uz is nothing but, sorry, n. Uy uz vy vz minus uz vy, sorry. What is uz? Uz equal to 2z. z here, the same term vy equal to m. So ny minus zm, ny minus zm. Now this comparing with option 2, what we will get? So ny minus mz into p plus zl lz minus nx into q equal to mx minus yl. Okay, option 2 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. What is that? X square plus 2f into 1 by y plus log x. So first we need to write down the above equation. This is equation number 1. Then what we need to do? Partially differentiate with respect to x in the equation 1. So 2x plus, right, 2x plus, what is that? I think z equal to in that question. See, dou z by dou x equal to p. 2x plus 2 into f dash of this term. Then differentiating with respect to x, this term only come, log x is nothing but 1 by x. So x plus f dash, this term, say it is a equation 2, or can we further simplify? P minus 2x, p minus 2x equal to 2 f dash of 1 by y plus log x into 1 by x. Say it is a equation 2. Then we need to do differentiate partially with respect to y in the above equation 1. So dou z by dou y equal to q. Q equal to dou z by dou y. Then 2, this term want to come. Then 2 into f dash 1 by y into log x. Again differentiating, what will get? 1 by y minus 1 by y squared. Say this is equation 3. 2f dash this. What is the value of C? 2f dash of what? This term equal to p minus 2x by x, right? Substitute this term instead of, in place of this value or term, we can substitute p minus 2x by x from equation 2, p minus 2x by x. So q equal to, in left hand side, into 1 minus y squared. So what we will get? P minus 2x into x, sorry, this is 1 by x, go to that side as multiplication. So in numerator, p minus 2x into minus x by y squared equal to, q equal to p minus 2x into minus x by y squared. Then what we need to do? We need to multiply inside, what we will get? Q y squared. In denominator y squared is this, that will go to that side as q y squared. Then multiply by x minus 2x first time, minus into minus, plus 2x square minus xp. So what we will get? This xp or pq go to that side as px plus qy squared equal to 2x squared. So this is the answer. By comparing this with what we see, option 4, 2x px plus qy squared equal to 2x squared. Option 4 this is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. We can write it as, what is that? We'll move on to the next one. See, what is that? F of x square plus z square, y square plus z squared equal to x plus y plus z. Can we write like this? X plus y plus z equal to this term, x plus y plus z equal to some phi of x square plus y square plus z squared. Say this is equal to, okay, it is a function of this term only. So x plus y plus z equal to phi of x square plus y square plus z squared equal to 1. So what we need to do first? We need to differentiate partially with respect to x. 1 plus z, dou z by dou x when we differentiating this term, what we will get? Dou z by dou x is nothing but p. Then phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2x plus 2z into dou z by dou x equal to p. This is equation 2. Then we need to differentiate partially with respect to y. So 1 plus dou z by dou y is nothing but q. Then phi dash of x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal to 2y plus 2z into q. Say it is a equation 3. Okay. Then equation 2 by equation 3. See the equation 2 divided by equation 3, what we will get? 1 plus p divided by 1 plus q equal to, this term will get cancelled when we dividing this equation with 3. Then 2x plus 2zp divided by 2y plus 2zq, right? It is a multiple of 2. So how can we write? X plus zp equal to y plus zq. Then what we need to do? Cross multiply on both sides. 1 plus p into y plus zp equal to 1 plus q into x plus zq. When we multiplying inside, what will get? Y plus zp plus py plus z. 1 plus p into this is q, zpq. Again x plus zq by 1, then xq plus zpq. This is p. Zpq get cancelled. This go to take x as one side and pq on another side. What we will get? See, zp plus py minus zq minus xq equal to x, remaining this term only, x minus y. So taking p outside, p is common, what we will get? zq, sorry, y plus zq it is. I made a mistake. 1 plus zq plus py. Again x plus zp. So zq plus py minus zp minus xq. So when we taking p as common, what we will get? Y minus z, this term. In this term, y minus z. Again when we taking q as common, what we will get? Z minus x equal to x minus y. So this is the answer. P of p into y minus z plus q into z minus x equal to x minus y. So what is that? This one. Option 2 is the right option for this problem. See, this is not y minus x in option. What we get? X minus y only. So this is x minus y only. So option 2 we made one correction. Next, move on to the next problem. Phi of x square plus y square plus z squared equal to xyz. It is in the form of u. For see, phi of x square plus y square plus z square comma xyz equal to 0. This is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. U equal to x square plus y square plus z square. What is v? xyz. So we need to partially differentiate dou u by dou x. We need to find out the dou u by dou x is nothing but dou u by dou x equal to 2x. Again dou v by dou x equal to yz, right? And dou u by dou y, sorry, dou u by dou y equal to 2y. Dou v by dou y equal to xz, right? Then the required PDE is nothing but, what is the required PDE? Dou u by dou x, determinant of dou u by dou x into dou u by dou y equal to dou v by dou x to dou v by dou y. This is the required PDE, partial differential equation. So substitute in this value, what we will get? Equal to 0. When we differentiating dou u by dou x, we need to differentiate partially 2z into dou z by dou x. So 2z into p, again differentiating with this term 2y plus 2zq, right? For this term yz and yz, right? Dou v by dou x, what we will get? Yz, it is in the form of uv, right? So y in the common xp, x into this term won't come, so take y outside. This is in the form of uv. Okay, uv, what we will get? X, keep s as constant, into xp, dou z by dou x. Again y as constant and z only, so into 1. So y into xp plus z, or y into xp plus z, this term. Again this is in the form of dou v by dou y, means x is common, then uv format z plus a q into y. So x into yq plus z. So this is vy, this is vx, right? vy and vx. This is ux, uy. So I mistakenly done this. Then so this is in matrix form. This is the required PDE, partial differential equation, in model determinant equal to 0. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y into in second row, dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. We have solved for ux. In simplified, we can say it as ux, v, uy and vx and vy. We know the all values and substitute in the determinant, and simplifying we will get the solution. See, I am using, I have solved using this paper. There is no sufficient place in this paper, so I am writing like this. Okay, 2x plus 2zp, this is ux. Then what is uy? 2y plus 2zp. Vx equal to y into xp plus z. In that vy equal to x into yq plus z equal to 0. So by solving, what we will get? Cross multiply and simplifying these. Okay, 2x into this term and 2y minus 2y into this term equal to 0 in every place, equal to 0, equal to 0. So this is in the form of multiplication of 2, right? Then we can divide by 2 and simplify this and cross multiply each and every term, then we will get this value. See, each and every time, and these two will get up by simplifying all. What we will get? Px into z square minus y square plus qy into x square minus z square equal to z into y square minus x squared. See, this is the option where it is, I think this is, see, option 2, px into z square minus y square plus qy into x square minus z square equal to sum equal to z into y square minus x square. So option 2 is the right option for this problem. What we need to do, just write down the equation. This is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. What is phi u here? U term and take v term, then ux and uy and vx and va partially differentiate with respect to x and y in these two u and v. Then this is the required PDE. So by simplifying, we will get the Correct answer as option 2. We'll move on to the next one. What is given? Z equal to x into phi of y plus y into psi of x. What is the given equation? Given problem. X into phi of y plus y into psi of x. See, it is a equation 1. What we need to do first, partially differentiate with respect to x and y respectively. First we need to differentiate partially with respect to x. What we will get? Dou z by dou x, obviously it is p. Then partially differentiating with respect to x, we will get phi of y plus y into psi dash of x. See, it is a equation number 2. Then what is given? See, then what we need to do? Again, partially differentiating this equation 1 with respect to y. Dou z by dou y equal to q in left hand side. When coming to right hand side, x into phi dash of y. See the equation 1. Then psi of x, right? See, it is a equation 3. See, let's see options. In the option C, S term or R term will be in the, so what we need to do? We need to, what is S? We know dou z. This is the differential equations represented as q equal to dou z by dou y. What is S? Dou squared z by dou x dou y. So we need to, because in options S term is there, so by simplifying we need to again differentiate. This is dou z by dou y. So it can be written as dou by dou x of dou z by dou y, right? It is dou z by dou y, right? So what we need to do? We need to differentiate partially with respect to x in this equation 3. What will get? S. Dou squared z by dou x dou y is nothing but S. So we need to differentiate with respect to x in this equation 3. In equation 3. So with respect to x, it is phi, sorry, it is with respect to s, correct only. This is phi dash of y plus psi double dash of x. See, it is a equation 4. So then what we need to do? See, we can do one multiplication, xp plus yq. What we will get? When we multiplying this equation by x and equation 2, in equation 3 multiply by y and then add 2 and 3. So first we need to multiply by x. X into phi of y plus xy into psi dash of x. Again plus we need to add now, then multiply this equation by y. What we get? xy psi dash of y into y into psi of x, right? Y into psi of x. See, take x phi of y plus first and fourth term y psi of x together, writing together, then xy, take xy common in second and third term. What will get? Phi dash of x plus what will get? Sorry, psi dash of x plus phi dash of y, right? See here, what? X phi of y plus y psi of x equal to z, right? Z plus xy into psi dash of x plus phi dash of y. Psi dash of xy, psi dash of x, this is, sorry, not phi double dash, psi double dash, psi dash of x only. So psi dash of x plus phi dash of y, it is equal to, it is xy outside, this term equal to s. So xp plus, see, xp plus yq is nothing but z plus xys. So when comparing this option, xys equal to xp plus yq minus z. So we can write it as xys equal to xp plus yq, take that z that side minus z. So this is our answer, xys equal to xp plus yq minus z equal to xys equal to xp plus yq minus z. Option 1 is the right option for this problem. Then we'll move on to the next one. Next problem. See, z equal to f of x plus iy plus g of x minus iy. First we need to write down the given equation. See, it is a equation 1. Then what we need to do, we need to differentiate with respect to x first. First we need to, dou z by dou x is nothing but p. So f dash of x plus iy. In place of function of x plus iy, when we differentiating again, what we will get? Into 1. So multiplied by 1, we will get the same term. Then g dash of x minus iy into 1 only. So it is equation 2. Then we need to partially differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So q equal to dou z by dou y. Then f dash of with respect to y. Okay, f dash of x plus iy. When we differentiating this term again, what we will get? I into multiplied by I value. Then again g dash of x minus iy. This again by I am writing here the sign. Again by differentiating this term, what will minus I. So minus I. See, it is equation number 3. See, by comparing with the option, we need to simplify further. We can get any idea. See, it is given as this represented as r minus t, r term and t term. So what we need to do, we need to again differentiating this equation 2 with respect to x. X is nothing but what we get, it is dou z by dou x. So again differentiating with respect to x, what we will get? Dou squared z by dou x squared. So which is equal to r. What is the equivalent term? R. So we need to partially differentiate with respect to x in this term. In this equation 3, we need to partially differentiate with respect to y. So first we need to differentiate with respect to x in equation 2. Dou z by dou x, what we will? Dou squared z by dou x squared, which is equal to r only. Okay. So f double dash of x plus iy same. In place of x, when we differentiating x again, what we will get? Into 1 multiplied by 1. So we will get same term into x minus g double dash of x minus iy into 1 only. Say it is a equation number 4. Then we need to differentiate partially with respect to y. It is dou z by dou y. Okay. Dou z by dou y. Again differentiating with respect to y, what we will get? Dou squared z by dou y squared, which is equal to t. Right. Then we need to partially differentiate with respect to y. What will f double dash of x plus iy. Here also one I term, keep as it is. Then we will differentiating this term, we will get I. So I into I is nothing but I squared. What is value of I squared? Equal to minus 1. So minus sign here. Again minus sign. So g double dash of x minus iy. Here also one I term. When we differentiating this term, what we will get? I am writing here also one minus I, right? I am writing minus sign here, only alone I. Okay, then by differentiating this term, what we get? Minus I. So minus I into I, what is that? I squared. I squared value is minus 1. Here also one minus sign. So minus I squared. What is the value of I squared? I squared equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into minus plus 1 only. Already one minus sign is there. So minus of g double dash of this term only. Minus of g double dash of x minus I. We say it is a equation 5. From this equation, what we can write? See, t. Minus time common. Minus sign outside. F double dash of x plus iy plus g double dash of x minus iy. See, which is equal to, see this equation number 4, which is equal to r. See this term. So what we will get? T equal to minus r or r plus t equal to 0. This will come this side, r plus t equal to 0. So which one option, r plus t equal to option 2 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. So what is given? First write phi of x plus I y plus z comma x square plus y square minus z square equal to 0. See, this is in the form of phi of u comma v equal to 0. What is u? U is x plus y plus z. What is v? X square plus y square minus z square. So then what we need to do? We need to find out the p. How can we write p? We can write it as p dou u of dou y equal to dou of y z. It is nothing but, I will write in simple, uy uz. Instead of dou u by dou y, dou u by dou is, I am writing uy uz in matrix form. What we can write? Vy vz. So is it equal to uy vz minus uz vy. So we need to be very careful while writing this. Okay, uy vz minus uz vy. So we need to find out uy value and vz according to the according to this we can find out what is uy. From this, what is uy ma? Uy is nothing but 1. Okay, vz minus 2z, right? Z square minus 2z. Again one minus sign. What is uz? Uz equal to 1 only when we differentiating with respect to z in u. Then what is vy? Vy equal to 2y. So taking minus to outside, what we will get? Z plus y, right? So let it be. Okay, then we will find out the q. Then what is q? Dou of u comma v divided by dou of z comma x. It is dependent of x, so we are writing y is z. It is dependent of y, it is zx. Then we will write it as u z ux vz vx, uz ux, again vz vx. So uz, we should be very careful while writing these terms. Okay, uz into vx minus cross multiply when taking determinant ux into vz. Okay, so from this, what is uz? Uz equal to 1. Okay, then what is vx? Vx equal to 2x, right? 2x from this. Okay, I am writing here minus ux equal to 1. And what is vz? Vz equal to minus 2z. So minus into minus plus, plus 2 into plus 2. Okay, this no minus and minus into minus plus 2 take outside, x plus z. Okay, then we will find out, say it is a equation 1, let it is a equation 2. Then what is q? R is nothing but same thing, dou of u comma v, then dou of x comma y, right? X comma y only. So okay, then how can you ux uy vx vy, right? ux uy vx vy, ux vy minus uy vx. So we need to differentiate from this term, right? Which one? Ux is nothing but 1 only in this equation. 1 into what is vy? 2y minus sign uy. Uy equal to 1. What is vx? 2x, right? Then by taking 2 outside, 2 is nothing but y minus x. Say it is a equation 3. What is the required PDE? From this type, what is the required PDE? PP plus QQ equal to R. P into capital P, small p plus Q into capital Q equal to R. This is the required equation. So P is equation, this equation minus 2 into Z plus Y. See, minus 2 into Z plus Y into P, small p, plus what is capital Q? 2 into x plus z, 2 into x plus z into small q equal to r. What is r, ma? R equal to this term 2 into y minus x. All are in multiple of 2. So how can we write? See, so all terms will go. See, there is no space. Okay, I am writing here. By dividing by 2, cancel all multiples of 2. Then how can we correlate with the options? So y plus z into p minus, right, into x minus y plus z into p plus x plus z into q equal to y minus x. So here see, from this option how can we correlate? So wait, I am writing here y plus z. Can we write this y this multiple by 2, these two divide by 2 in this equation, then 2 will get cancelled in every term, then multiply by minus sign. Minus sign, what we will get? Z plus y into p minus x plus z into q, right, equal to, it is y minus x become x minus y. I am simplifying because I am just comparing with the options above. So this is the option, ma. See, option by comparing with the options, this one suits y plus z into p minus p into z plus, this q, z plus x into q equal to x minus, same here, z plus y into p minus x plus z into q equal to x minus y. Because of the options only, to match these options I am simplifying. We need to do like this when we doing exams. By matching with the option we need to simplify. So this is the process to simplify the problem. When it is given in this type, we need to find out in this model, or we need to simplify. So option 3 is the right option for this problem. We will move on to the next and last problem in this method. What we need to do, see, what is given? Z equal to e power ay into x plus by. So e power ay, this is function of x and y. So we will take z by this term to RHS side into f of x plus by. So when we can write like e power minus z into e power minus ay f of x plus by. See, it is a equation 1. Then what we need to do? We need to do the same process like all rest of the problems. So what we need to do? We need to partially differentiate with respect to x. So dou z by dou x, this is dependent on x only. So dou z by dou x is p into e power minus ay into f dash of x plus by, right? Then again differentiating x, we will get 1 only. So this equation 2. What we need to do again? We need to partially differentiate this equation 1 with respect to y. So it is in the form of uv form. Now with respect to y, this is also dependent of y, this is also y term. So we need to do uv format. So first we need to differentiate u as constant, and then differentiate this one e power minus ay into minus a plus v as constant e power minus ay into, what is that? Dou z by dou y is nothing but q. In right hand side, f dash of x plus by into b. When differentiating again by, what we will get? B only. So by simplifying, what we will get? Z power e power minus ay is common. So q minus az equal to f dash of x plus by into b, right? This is the equation. This is equation 3. So this is equation 3 and this is equation 2. Equation 3 divided by equation 2, what we will get? 3 by 2. So I am writing here 3 by 2. Equation 3 by 2. What we will get? I just compared with the options. We cannot simplify further. So I'm just this is common. See, f dash of x plus by and f dash of x plus by and e power minus ay term is common in both of the equations. So we will write equation 3 by 2. So it is in the numerator. So this term and this term will get cancelled. This all common. So 3 by 2. What is in the left hand side remaining? 3 by 2. Keep remind this q minus az in the left hand side. In equation 2 it is p. Right? P. Then in right hand side here b, here 1 only. So then cross multiply q minus az equal to bp. Right? Then what is q? Q. From this what is q? Q equal to az plus bp. Right? This go to that side. So this is a okay. Q equal to az when compare. Okay. Option 2 see. Q equal to az plus bp is the right answer for this problem. So option 2 is the right answer for this problem. So I will end up this video up to this. We have solved many problems depending on these types differential equations. We will continue this video. So kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus. In our future videos we will solve and discuss more and more problems, and kindly check with the playlist. Thanks for watching.